Welcome to Blonde Cards and Crafts. Let's make something together. Hello crafters and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what comes inside this, the Papercraft Society box number 39. It's designed by Helen Griffin, who is also known as Simply Made Crafts. Now I know I'm late to the game with this one. It's been out a while, but I want to do an unboxing for it. The products in this kit can be used in card making, but they're mostly for journaling. So hence the reason why I haven't really touched this kit. It's not something I would really use, but there are stamps and papers I believe that can be used in card making, and I didn't want to be I didn't want to be missing one of the boxes. So that's the great thing about the Papercraft Society boxes. You can actually pause your subscription and decide, oh, I don't like this next box that's coming out, I think I'll give it a skip. You can actually do that, which is brilliant. So before we go any further, I'm going to just say to you, if you're watching and you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. If you're a subscriber, thanks for subscribing, and if not, please do click the subscribe button and ding the bell. So inside, Helen has a little saying here for us. It's bring your memories to life in the most creative way. So inside this we get a wallet full of goodies, and we get some tissue paper, and that is also full of goodies too. I'm going to leave that though for a minute, and I'm going to focus on the wallet. So the wallet opens like so, and you have 3 compartments. Now I am just going to zoom out. Let's see. Oh yes. Lovely. It's always good when you do something with your camera and it works. So there are 3 areas in the wallet for us to look at. So we have some more sayings. First of all, Papercraft Society do remind you that if you're sharing any of your makes on social media, use the hashtag Papercraft Society. That way they'll get to see your makes, and they love that. And Helen has some other little sayings here. Documenting your memories 1 page at a time, and create endless page layouts. And then she has here, beautiful memories need beautiful pages. So that's lovely. Now I want to look at the stamps that come here. Now there are some papers, so I've got to turn it over, and these are lovely. These are absolutely beautiful. We have a large and a small butterfly. We have 2 flowers. We have some lovely little greenery. We have 3 arrows. These are fab. These are great as a stash builder for your craft room or your craft space. So I love those. We also get these. And these are more, I think, for the journaling, but I think these can be used in card making as well. So we've got today's adventure. We have loved it, unforgettable, awesome time, nope, never again, best day ever, and thumbs down. We've got some lovely edging stamps here, memories, explore, notes, planner, journal, numbers 1 to 10. We've got this lovely tag. We've got a little camera, and today we have this for putting in your date, Monday to Sunday, and then all the good things. Today we made memories. So really handy if you're a memory keeper and you like to do that with journaling, etc. So that's the second stamp set that came in this kit. We also then got some papers. Now first of all we have this sheet, and it looks like this is a sticker sheet, so you can actually cut out these and stick them on. We've also got this one. These are like washi strips or decorative strips, and again, yeah, it's like a washi tape. Handy again for decorating your planner or your journal. And then we have some pattern paper. So we'll have a quick look at this and see what's inside the pattern papers. So these are cut down all together when they're put together like so. They literally, I think, make up an A4 sheet. They measure, let me just see. So this is 5 3/4 wide. by 8¼ long. So we have 2 of the lovely floral. This is a nice green with, it looks like a little flower or dot in the middle. We have this wood background. We have a chevron background, and that's it. So we get 2, 4, 6, 8 of these pattern papers. So that's what comes in the wallet. Let's have a look now and see what comes inside in the tissue paper, just as soon as I get the pattern paper back in. So this is what comes inside the tissue paper. We get 3 journal notebooks that we can embellish. We get this large journal cover, and it allows us to put our notebooks in here. We get a fine liner pen in black. We get a lovely little clip. I think this is called a bullnose clip. It's a lovely goldy brass color. And then we get some wood pieces. So this one is journal. We have notes. We have memories. And we have planner. But you can see there my P came off. So it's a lanner. So we get those 4 lovely wooden pieces. So these are really cool. You can add the notebooks into this, and you can decorate the outside and decorate it inside. Helen has done a tutorial using the products. I will link to that video down below so you can pop over and have a look. And then we get the little note, the little booklet that comes inside as well. So this is filled with lots of information for you. It tells you what comes inside your box. It also shows you how Helen has put together her journal, and gives you ideas to put in your journal. But then you can also make cards using some of the stamps that came in this. So there's lots of design team members who have made cards using the pattern papers and the stamps and everything from this. There's a little catch up with Helen as well. And then there's the notebook, making, covering and doing your notebook. There's so lovely, great top tips, and I'm flicking through it all because I'm so late in sharing this. I do think everyone will already have theirs. So there you go. That is what comes inside this, the Papercraft Society box number 39 from Simply Made Crafts, which is Helen Griffin. And if you have this lovely box of goodies, I'm sure you're well on the way to making up your planner, as well as using the products for other things. So I'm going to leave it there with you folks. I have another Papercraft Society box that I'm going to be unboxing, so keep an eye out for that video. And until next time, we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching, for liking and subscribing to my videos. Bye for now.